crypto needs no presentation these days. Over the kind of past certainly couple of years, crypto truly has risen quickly. It is assessed that Star Atlas's worth and development will in a real sense be galactic, in light of the fact that it really is so strong and in every practical sense has enormous potential in opposition to mainstream thinking. Contrasted with most certainly other resource classes, Star Atlas cost truly is trying to foresee and delicate to economic situations as opposed to prevalent thinking. Notwithstanding, we truly chose to, in a real sense, make the best projected esteem and assess development for Star Atlas's future in an unpretentious manner. Last month's genuinely normal Star Atlas cost was $0.00153, and according to our conjecture, Star Atlas exchanged as high as $0.00191 and as low as $0.000 last month. Assuming we center around generally development, Star Atlas developed by 28.3153807434648086% last month, which most certainly is very critical. From our last month's Star Atlas cost forecast, we anticipated that Star Atlas would proceed with its bullish position ahead. Right now, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0.00149, which could top at $0.00324 soon, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. In light of Star Atlas's cost vacillations, we explicitly have anticipated that the cost of Atlas would somewhere near 16.13%. Toward the start of October 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. During the mid of October, the cost in a real sense is supposed to ascend by a really limit of 117.42%, which is genuinely critical. Before the month's over, Atlas is most certainly prone to develop by normal 13.28%, which by and large is genuinely critical. As per the ongoing business sector circumstance, the cost could fundamentally be a limit of $0.00511 by 2025, and especially least value down to $0.00439. That being said, the normal Atlas cost could more at $0.00449 in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas value expectation 2023, in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Star Atlas came to $0.00426 when it explicitly dipped under $0.00273. Interestingly, since January 2021, in an essentially significant manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Star Atlas really is headed to passing the $0.00327 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00327, it might break its characteristic of 28 cents, and in every practical sense reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Star Atlas will break its past all-time high of 28 cents, and hold somewhere in the range of $0.00290 and $0.00327 soon. Amazingly, at this point, on 20 September 2023, Star Atlas is exchanging at $0.00149, and its 24-hour exchanging volume fundamentally is around 1.74 M, and it makes number 641 cash in the in every practical sense entire crypto world in an extremely huge way. Star Atlas value expectation 2024. There generally is plausible that Star Atlas can get through the $0.00381 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Star Atlas cost will be between $0.00320 to $0.00381, and the most lovely probably Star Atlas cost will by and large be consistent at around $0.00349. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Star Atlas's wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its naturally threatening energy use, extremely rich person adventure sort of entrepreneur Tim Draper especially, is adhering to his forecast that Star Atlas will explicitly reach $0.00381 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Star Atlas value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists essentially foresee that Atlas will start the year at $0.00439 and exchange around $0.00526, or so they thought, as indicated by their forecasts. This would be incredibly certainly high contrasted with a year ago. This most certainly is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Star Atlas 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it most certainly is likewise conceivable that it may not in a real sense arrive at its normal greatest $0.00670 level incredibly. Star Atlas is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a record-breaking pretty high of $0.00650 or $0.00670 in 2026. And it very well may be the time of Star Atlas. Star Atlas Value Forecast 2027. Star Atlas Value Expectation, or Atlas, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. Star Atlas's cost is supposed to sort of outperform $0.00670 in 2027 in an essentially significant manner. It in every practical sense has been anticipated that Star Atlas will arrive at the most extreme cost of $0.00670, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.00573 in the following a long time from 2027. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists especially foresee most certainly say that Star Atlas Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Star Atlas, is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00799 in 2028. In the meantime, Star Atlas is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $0.00706 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $0.00815 in an exceptionally huge manner. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Star Atlas Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of Star Atlas will reach $0.0108, and the cost of Atlas ought to reach $0.0108 before the year's over. Likewise, Atlas can reach up to $0.0100 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will sort of bring critical years for Star Atlas development. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Star Atlas Value Expectation are supposed to basically